welcome to 5642 North Broadway. We're up on the balcony of a upgraded 2-bed, 2-bath deluxe apartment. Just down the street is Whole Foods and a number of other stores and restaurants, and we're right across the street from the CTA Red Line station. Good space out here for the Barbie, and as we step inside, to the left we have a nice dining space. Notice the wainscoting all the way around the condo. And how's this for a kitchen? New appliances, granite island with breakfast bar, tons of storage, the very tall cabinets, and the gorgeous finishing tile. Again, wainscoting, nice gas fireplace with stone surround, and I pulled the drapes down slightly on the living room windows. You'll see they're very upgraded. Let's go. Before we go down the hall, on the left here we have some extra storage or a pantry, however you prefer to use it. We've got the upgraded thermostat, entry, intercom, and let's go right down to the master suite. Great size, nice windows that are up high for privacy, and check out the built-in lots of ways to adjust it to make it work for you. As we enter the ensuite, you'll see the large soaking jacuzzi tub, double vanity, glass shower with body spray. Basically, you've got a spa experience right off your master bedroom. We're going to take a couple steps down the hall, and here we have, of course, washer dryer in the unit. Second bedroom, really good size. Very large closet space, and again with built-ins, so you can make it your own. And just around the corner from the second bedroom is the second bathroom. Again, beautifully upgraded fixtures. Nice tile work. So this is 5642 North Broadway. Very convenient location. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you and hope to meet you soon. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Cheers.